And now we have put here employee code. When you have make any type of the sheet, you have remember put your unique ID the first column. Then
Okay.
name, department, date of joining. Now we have put here the date. Date is according the month. So we have select the Jan. So here the first Jan. How can do it? So we have used the concave. So equal in the inverted comma, we have give one dash and percent, select the Jan, again and percent dash 2023. But and percent give the result in the text. So this will look like date, but not a date. This is the text. So that
Mhm.
time we have give the bracket and just plus zero. Plus zero is the convert into date. Okay.
Oh.
And we give the format date format here. Now we have get the first date. Now I want to rest of the date. So just like equal, select the first date and plus one. Now we have copy paste here 431.
Mhm.
Okay, but this and now I want to also day just like Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So that time we have used text formula. In the text formula, we have write the code according the custom formatting. It means 3 times D. We have get the Sunday Monday. Now also copy and paste. But problem is that this is a very big page. So I have also
Mhm.
mentioned the month here. Why show the complete date? We have show only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
But don't change here manually 1, 2, 3, 5 because you have changed the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then your text formula is not work. Okay.
Mhm.
So we have select and right click here, go to the format cell and type here 2 times D. Okay. Now we have select
Mhm.
the complete sheet, clicking here one and over triangle and just double click on your column border, any column border, your data will be auto fit.
Okay.
Okay. But one problem,
Mhm.
see, when you have select the fab, you can see here after 28 again show 1, 2, 3, 4. But
Okay.
I don't want to show. I want to show only
Mhm.
for date selecting the month.
Mhm.
Not short, not exist. Access.
Okay. Mhm.
So how can? So in the Excel, we have one formula EO month. EO month give the end of month, end of date, the selected date. Just we have select the
Mhm.
8 and give the comma 0. This month give the last date of February, January, March,
Okay.
which month you selected. So we have
Mhm.
applied this formula here. Here after the 28. Because minimum day 28 is the confirm. After 28
Mhm.
day, we have selecting here. So we apply here if formula. If if AS8 plus 1, it means 28 plus 1 is greater than EO month. We have select the EO month and comma 0, then give the blank. Otherwise, plus 1 and continue the date. So understand, we have applied the if formula. If in the if formula we give the condition AF8 plus 1 is greater than EO month. EO
Okay.
month it means end of the month, it means 28.
Mhm.
Then so blank, otherwise you have continue the your sequence. Okay.
Okay.
But problem when you have put here, you have show the error. So here
Mhm.
require one more formula is the if error, and so here blank. When you have formula, give the error, show the blank. It means blank.
Okay.
Now
Mhm.
I have bracket. Now you can see when you have select month, just like March, you can see here the 31, the complete show, the April, the 30 show, the again May 31, June 30. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the automatic. Now need to
Mhm.
apply some formatting. So we have select here, and I have select here and then apply the border, and also select here. We have merge, and F4 you
Mhm.
have repeat your last action,
Okay.
and select central, also bold, and now we have select the date and apply the bold, here bold, also date bold, and give the background color blue is dark, not light. Okay, and we have
Mhm.
also put the some data here, one, two, like that.
Mhm.
Some name also, department, the HR, ops, sales, also data joining. And now, why we have mentioned the date of joining in the attendance sheet? What is the logic? The logic is in the company have a rules if you have less than 3 months joining, then not give the paid leave. So
Okay.
at a time mark the attendance, we have checked what is the joining date. If joining date less than 3 to 6 months, if different company have a different law and rules.
Okay.
So if you come, if mostly company give the 3 months, the minimum three
Correct.
month the logging period. Your leave is also count and stored, but you have not taken leave before the 3 months. You have completed the three
Mhm.
month. You have take the leave, your stored leave or save leave also, and also earn leave. So
Okay.
when you have marked the attendance, then we have used that. Now my company is Saturday and Sunday off. So I want to highlight the yellow color where is the Saturday and Sunday. So we have select
Okay.
here, we have select the single cell because I have applied the formula in the condition formatting. So we have select the single cell and go to new rules, use formula, and here type or, because this is the multiple conditions but not required.
Mhm.
Then select the such Sunday is equal to Sunday, again select equal to Saturday.
Mhm.
And now we have removed the dollar sign before the column. But no, don't row because my row is fixed, but column is not fixed. Okay?
Mhm.
And go to the
Okay.
format, fill, and give the yellow color here, which color one, and okay. And now we have put the here. You can see.
Okay.
Now one more thing. When you have select the fab, we have give the fab data, but this is the formatting is also coming here. So I want to
Okay.
remove this format. If you have not date, so remove the format. So I have
Mhm.
first remove the manually format. No border, no color.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
and I have applied the formatting color here. Right, and now
Mhm.
select here and go to the conditional formatting, new rules, use formula, and equal. Select here, and this is the equal to not equal to blank, and we have removed the dollar sign of the column but keep the dollar sign of the row, and go to the format and border. We have applied the all borders, then okay, then okay, and we have format printer and paint the rest of area. Okay,
Okay.
and also we have here use, but here I want to here color with color cell color also. So
Mhm.
we have give the conditional formatting, the new rules, use formula, select here, and give this is not equal to blank, and remove the dollar sign, and format we have select border, also fill color.
Mhm.
Okay, and
Okay.
and number we have give the GDD, no, only for 2D, and okay,
Mhm.
and okay, format painter, and paint the rest of three. Now we have select the March. Okay, we have select the
Mhm.
Fab, and we have select
Oh.
the April. Okay,
Mhm. Okay.
so this is the your format. So I give the project the one format for all month. So and not required you change the formatting for every month. You have used this attendance sheet for every month, but
Very
now
fine.
you have apply the your attendance manually here. But in future class, I give the also one class ki how can maintain the attendance automatically.
Oh.
Okay, but now how can fill the attendance? So I have selected the March, and I want to apply the attendance here for March month. So we have saw first give the week off. Okay,
Mhm.
week off. Copy and paste here. Copy and paste. Week off. And second, you have any holiday, just like 17 is not 17, 8. 8 is the holiday. So we have marked the H for holiday, right?
Okay.
So first we have marked the holidays and your week off, weekends.
Mhm.
After that, we have checked the extra work. Which person have come in office at weekends. It's the extra work. So I have showed कि Om is appear here, and also Dev coming the such Sunday 12th. So we have marked here.
Mhm. Okay.
Now we have just marked the absent, not a present, because I want to maintain the puja attendance. It means we have maintained the 31 sales. P P
Mhm.
P A P P P A like that, right? L. So we have
Okay.
just marked because in the office, average every person's take the leave in 2 days. Okay, in the
Okay.
month,
Mhm.
average.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
I have the 13 employee. It means I have just marked the 26 sale in the month.
Okay.
Okay. So if you use my method, it means you have the 13 employee. You have just marked the 26 cells. But
Mhm.
traditionally, we have used just like PPPPA, that time 13 multiplied by 31. It means 403 cells. And you
Okay.
can also some get the error when you have do the manual, then chance to do the mistake.
Okay.
Okay, then need to cross check. But my method not. So we have marked the leave only. This is the leave. This is the leave, and we have also applied the conditional formatting. If have the leave, then color red. So conditional formatting, go to the equal to, and we have typed with L and give the your formatting here. I know. So we have just marked the L. Now the
Mhm.
rest of the area have a percent, right? So we have select the your area, attendance area, and go to the file and select the replace. The shortcut is Control H. Select
Okay.
here and keep the blank of your find what and type
Mhm.
the P on replace with and just click on replace. You will see in the one click your all blank cell will be filled by P.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
and this is the automatic attendance system, and you have try on your system. Okay, I have saved
Mhm.
this and send you.
Okay. Sir, if suppose daily we want to fill,
Tell me again.
if suppose daily we are updating and sending,
हाँ तो daily if you have yeah if you नहीं, you want to you ask the question about the attendance sheet or a daily updated file.
daily update. See, if
Yeah.
morning only we will come to know the leave. So then,
In the future class, I have give the solution of you have how can maintain the automatically dependency. Okay,
okay. Mhm.
so wait, now we have just give the give the class of making the format, not attendance.
Okay.
Attendance
Mhm.
format.